Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Sanjesh Tech and Tricks. In this video I'm going to show you all how to add the subscribe button to all your YouTube videos. So let's get started. In a new tab, search for subscribe button. Click on images, click on tools, click on color, select transparent, click on size, select icon. There are many subscribe buttons, so choose any one of them and download it. So now go to your YouTube studio, click on settings, click on channel, click on branding. So now I'm going to replace this old image with a new image. So now the image has been changed. You can display this image at the end of the video, or by giving custom start time, or by giving entire video. So I'm going to choose custom start time. I'm going to give 9 seconds. So this image will pop up after 9 seconds. So now the settings have been saved. After 9 seconds, the subscribe button will pop up at the right side corner of the window. If you click the subscribe button, it will take you to your YouTube channel homepage for subscription.